Shooting Instax film is something that is really interesting and super fun. But you know, there is a problem when we do that, and that we don't have absolutely control of the camera. But I came up with this idea. I decided to remove the original lens, and I put this Konirapid S lens that I took from a Rapid Per 2 camera. So the best thing to do is to test it out and see how it works. Okay, so first of all, let's check it out how it worked. I just simply opened the camera and removed the front lens, and then I installed an adapter here. I used one for the Nikon F-mount to M42, and then I put this helicoid focusing ring M42, and then I put another adapter here, M42 M39, where I insert the lens itself. After that, I had to open the camera and simply put a focusing screen here, and in order to understand and define the distances that I have then written here in this focusing ring. There is only one problem that I find out, and is here. Because this model, the on-off button simply works when we extract or retract the lens itself. I had to create this switch. The problem with this switch, is working here, is that it will just work half of the way, and then an error come out. So I have to turn off, turn on again, and keep proceeding with the film coming up. So you will see me turn on and off a couple of times before I will be able to extract completely the picture, but that's not a big deal. And so let's open and let's put film, and today we are going to use this Instax Mini Macaron, because it's the one that I had at home. Of course, because now we have to work everything in manual, I have to set up the lens accordingly, and for this reason I will use this Sekonic L2. Okay, come up, then again off, on, then we can finally remove. It's a little bit annoying, but now is the only solution that I found, and I will check it out how to make it a little bit better. And to facilitate, I also will use this, so it will be easier to take a picture. So let's go. Okay, so with this setting, now we are going to take f11 and shutter speed 500. The flowers that we have here in front of us. Let's see. Need to cock the shutter here, and then the distance is about 60, so I set up 60 here. Okay, we took, so we have to do the on-off things, and first time again. And then so far I had to do it about 4 times because the puller has to go back to the original position. Okay, so this new subject is about over 4 meters. So we are going to zoom it and focus. Focus between 3 meter and infinite. Let's say this way, and let's measure. It is. Let's say f8 and 500 shutter speed. So reduce one stop. Let's cock the film, cock the lens, and let's test. And now, as usual, we have to Okay guys, so having more control on the camera of course had his positive things, his positive points. It's not easy in terms of you need of course to set up everything, but again, if you are a photographer, I think like you really look for get the best from your camera and the Instax film itself. And I have here the 2 frames that we shot before. I think that the result is pretty nice. There is this of course frame, the black frame around, that tends to disappear when we are going to take picture of something that is a little bit far from us, but again, I want to then go back and try to eliminate the problem simply removing the inside part. That's all for me. Keep following me to see how this project is going to evolve and the other project that I'm doing now. And as usual, till next time, stay click. Bye.